another Trendy Talia video. Today I will be showing you how I achieved this look inspired by Veronica Lodge from the hit TV series Riverdale. If you guys watch this show, then you know that Veronica has a very polished look. She mostly wears dresses and skirts paired with a strand of classic pearls and heels. I love how simple her makeup is too. Depending on the colors in her outfit, she's either rocking a plum or a red lip or a glossy nude lip. So without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty, so one of the first things that I did was already apply my liquid foundation, my concealer, and my setting powder. Again, this just helps speed the process up, so that's why I normally do this before each of my makeup tutorials. So you guys just go ahead and do your foundation the way you like to do it. And we are going to jump right in, starting off with the eyebrows. I'm going to be taking my Maybelline eyebrow pencil. I'll link everything down below that I'm using today. But I'm going to start off with this eyebrow pencil and start filling in my eyebrows. Veronica does have a bold eyebrow and hers are a little bit closer together. So I'm going to try to make mine look as similar to hers as possible. That takes a lot of focus. Yes, a lot of focus. But I think that's pretty close, probably as close as I'm going to get to Veronica's eyebrows. Now I'm going to take the other end of this eyebrow pencil and this is just going to soften up the look.
Mommy, big.
Yeah, it's a big fluffy brush. I prefer a little bit more of a natural brow versus one that looks like it's obviously been penciled in. The next thing I'm going to be applying to my eyebrows is this Essence Make Me Brow. It's an eyebrow gel mascara, so I'm just setting those in place. Now I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion and applying that to my eyelids. This is going to help my eyeshadow not crease. And I'm going to be blending this all the way up to my brow bone. The makeup palette that I'm using for this look is the Urban Decay Naked 2 eyeshadow palette. And the first color I'm going to be starting off with is this one here called Foxy. I'm going to apply this all over the eyelid, kind of as a base. And I really like Veronica's makeup that she wears for the show. The eyes are pretty simple, a very neutral look with some liquid eyeliner on the top eyelids. Next shade I'm using is called Pistol. And I'm going to put this right in the center of my eyelids. Then I'm taking this brush and blending the color so it's not so harsh on the edges. So what do you guys think of this season of Riverdale? Have you guys been keeping up with it? I will say that I definitely like seasons 1 and 2 better. Season 3 is starting to pick up and I can't wait for the new episode this Wednesday. The next color I'm using in this palette is called Tease. And I'm going to be taking a little bit of that and putting it on the outer edges of my eyes. And going back in with Foxy, I'm taking a little bit of that and adding it as a highlight to the brow bone. Now I'm going to be curling my eyelashes. So who is your guys' favorite character on the Riverdale show? I definitely do love Betty and Veronica. I think style-wise, I navigate a little bit more towards Betty just because of the pastel colors. But I do like Veronica's polished, upscale, classic New York Upper East Side look. I'm going to be lining my eyes now with Maybelline's Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Eye Pencil. I'm going to be doing the tight line as well as my lower lash line. black liquid eyeliner, I am using NYX Epic Ink Liner, and I'm going to be doing this off camera just because I need to get up close and personal with my mirror here, because I am not that good with applying liquid eyeliner, so I'll be back when that is finished. I still need to work on my winged eyeliner, but I did try to do a small one because I do notice that Veronica does wear a little bit of a small winged liner, so I did do that, and now I'm going to be applying some mascara. My favorite one by Lancome in Monsieur Big. And she does have very volumizing long lashes, so this will definitely bring the drama to your eyes. Now I'm going to be applying some blush, and Veronica doesn't really have rosy cheeks in much of the episodes, but she does have a little bit of bronzy cheeks going on. I'm going to be applying this brown shade here to the apples of my cheeks. Last but not least, we are going to be doing our lips. First thing I'm doing is lining my lips with this lip liner by Rimmel, and this is in the color Ravish. Now taking my Rebel lipstick in the shade Blushing Nude, which looks like this. Finishing the look with some lip gloss, I'm taking Bare Minerals Marvelous Moxie in the shade Birthday Babe. And here's a completed makeup look. Now to get the outfit on, and I will show you how it looks all together. And that is it for this Veronica Lodge inspired look. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you decide to try this look out yourself, then comment down below because I would love to check it out. If you guys want to see more trendy videos from me, then don't forget to click that subscribe button. I hope you all have a magical day, and I will see you next time. Bye!